Or you can say, it has a pleasant taste. It has a pleasant taste. This can be a drink, a dessert, something that you really enjoy. It's so heavenly. It is so heavenly. Maybe ice cream, mango ice cream. It is simply delicious. It is simply delicious. There's no ifs and buts about it. Eating out. Maybe your friend has phoned you and said, let's go and eat out. How do you respond? You can say, I'm in, count me in, count me in. That sounds great. That sounds great. You agree to go out and have dinner.